steam engine. He's the fastest engine on the island of Sodor. He loves speeding along his line with the wind blowing across his funnel. "You've broken the record again," said his driver. "I'm the fastest," boasted Gordon. But not all the engines were impressed. "Speed isn't everything," said James smugly. "But being reliable and useful is," said Thomas. "You slow engines will never understand," snorted Gordon, "because you'll never go as fast as me." The Fat Controller arrived with news of a special for Thomas. "I want you to collect the jet engine and take it to the airfield." "What's a jet engine?" asked Percy. "A jet engine goes forward by pushing hot air out of its back," the Fat Controller said. "Just like when you blow up a balloon and let it go," added Thomas. "It's very fast." Thomas likes making special deliveries for the Fat Controller. It makes him feel special. But secretly, he wished he could go as fast as Gordon. Thomas arrived at the docks excited to see the jet engine. It was shiny and modern, and Thomas had never seen anything like it. He just couldn't wait to start his journey, but Cranky was taking his time. "Hurry up," puffed Thomas. "This is a special. Cranky did not like being told what to do, especially by an engine. He became so cranky that he was careless with his hook. His hook knocked the switch, and the switch started the jet engine, and the engine began to whine. The whine got louder and louder and louder. "Oh," said Cranky. Before he could say anything else, the jet engine was rocketing Thomas up the track. Said Thomas. The driver tried to put on the brakes, but Thomas couldn't stop. "Oh!" The station master called ahead. "Clear the lines, it's a runaway train." Signals were changed and points were switched. Thomas had never been so excited. Thomas flew by James and rocketed past Henry and raced by Percy. They were amazed. Bertie was excited when he saw Thomas flying down the track. "Want a race, Thomas?" beeped Bertie. Never mind. No one had ever seen an engine go so fast. Gordon had no idea that Thomas was racing along the main line. "I am the fastest," said Gordon proudly. "Hi, Gordon. Bye, Gordon." Gordon could not believe what he had seen. At last, the jet engine ran out of fuel, and Thomas was back under his own power. He steamed gently back into Knapford Station. "Sorry for overtaking you back there, Gordon." "Overtake me? I didn't notice," Gordon huffed. "You didn't notice the fastest engine on the island," said Henry. "Yes, I am the fastest," puffed Thomas. Percy felt a little sorry for Gordon. "Gordon doesn't have to go as fast as a jet engine. He's a steam engine." "But he's still full of hot air," whistled James, and Gordon wished